Okay, here in my garden, I have lettuce, I have green beans, I have bell peppers, chili peppers, tomatoes, carrots, strawberries, potatoes, radishes, onion chives. I have garlic chives, more strawberries. Let's see, I've got a lot of herbs. I love to grow herbs, more strawberries. I've planted a lot of things. There's mint. I also have aloe vera plant, peppermint, more potatoes, blueberries, raspberries. Let's see. I've got more potatoes. Potato, potato, potato. There's the garlic chives. I have sweet basil and more potatoes. More strawberries. I also have blackberries on the property, and here are some baby potato plants growing. Sunflowers for sunflower seeds and oil. Lavender for bathing. I have cantaloupe, watermelon, pumpkin, and squash. It's a good garden this year. Oh, and I planted corn. Dog diggity.